mixer that is built to last. The cylindrical shape is strong and resists twisting and the consequent problems with bearings and seals. It has more blades than others of the same size, giving a fast and thorough mixing action and saving 10 to 20% cement compared with the drum and tilt-up mixers. In fact, these cement savings can pay for the mixer in months, and it's all gravy from that point on. The RG comes in sizes from 2 to 10 cubic yards, 50 to 427 cubic yards per hour. It has optional skip hoists in the smaller sizes, as well as top-mounted aggregate hopper, cement and water scales, and admix scales too if you want to improve on accuracy. They are professionally designed and manufactured to get the fastest possible speed out of your mixer, and they speed up installation since they're pre-assembled. If you're in a hurry, we can deliver your mixer in 8 to 12 weeks. The most critical thing in a twin-shaft mixer's construction is to get the bearings and gearboxes exactly in line with the shafts. Some people machine the mountings and then weld them onto the mixer. This causes warping and problems throughout the mixer's life. All OCMA mixers are pre-welded and machined afterwards, assuring the quality that you need. The gearboxes are 2-stage rather than 3 for higher efficiency, which eliminates the need for an oil cooler. Italian-made by Bonfiglioli, who make most of the twin-shaft gearboxes, they are well-known performers with a 5-year, 10,000-hour warranty. Only one gearbox is required for a spare, since it fits on either side. Motors are on the top for accessibility, and the molded belt cover is snug-fitting to meet worldwide safety regulations. It is easily removed when necessary. The design has considered service. Everything is accessible, allowing the gearbox and bearing mounts to be replaced within 1 day. The rear of the mixer has space for the hydraulic power pack and the grease pump for the seals. Notice the manual lever for opening the discharge door if power fails. Check out the extremely strong frame. It can support the weight of an aggregate hopper, cement and water scales, holding a full-size batch without extra strengthening. One of the most important components of the twin-shaft mixer is the shaft seal, since a full batch puts the seal under the surface. Older seals were the labyrinth type, where grease pushes out into the mixer through a small gap, preventing the concrete getting in. This was never very successful, but many mixers still use it. They last 3 to 4 years at most. OCMix's seal is a lip seal, which actually tightens against the shaft as concrete pushes against it. 2 are used in case one fails, and a third stops grease coming out of the rear. Grease is used for lubrication only, 100 grams a day, which is lower than all competitors. Life of the OCMix seal is many years. Since it was introduced 4 years ago, none have failed. On the left is a seal with 3 grease entry points. On the right is the bearing with 1 grease point. Both the bearing and the seal are mounted in a one-piece casting, eliminating the misalignment that can occur in other designs. Positive movement and freedom from jamming. The door has a rubber seal and eccentric shaft, making it watertight without excessive wear. The reduced size door allows for a smaller chute, which in turn reduces the height of the whole plant, reducing cost. The longer discharge time can be an advantage when a smaller flow is needed. All doors are fitted with proximity switches to reliably sense the open and close positions. 2 are standard, a third is optional. Wear parts are Italian-made, Nyhard, certified 600 Brunel hardness, not substandard parts from China. The close spacing of the blades allows 1 extra set than most others, and better mixing action as a result. The arms are cast from a very tough alloy that is hard wearing. This saves you 15 to 30 minutes every day, minutes that you can gain in production at no extra cost, paying for the system in months. This is a dual ready-mix plant near Modena, Italy. The mixer supports aggregate hopper, cement, water, and admix scales, plus upper walkway. The water scale has a large diameter outlet to ensure fast discharge and shortest